Thanks to Assistant Secretary Sajida Akhtar, now I discuss my selected part. My selected part is method of assessment. The course will be assessed throughout the year through two ways, which includes formative assessment, summative assessment. Formative assessment. The term formative denotes the ongoing or systematic assessment of students' achievement while the course or instructional program is in progress. Formative assessment is carried out continuously throughout the course. It is done in all institutions for the identification of gap learning and informs the students about the extent of learning needed to reach educational objectives. Formative assessment mark will be preserved in the institute and at with final examination mark to encourage the students' learning. Formative assessment will be done by using some method like course assignment, case study and presentation, class test, observational checklist, practical, etc. Receiving at the end of term, course or instructional programs. It describes the judgment about the merits of an already completed program, procedure or program. So this assessment should be done through conduct final examination according to the role of Bangladesh Nursing and Midwifery Council in different ways such as written examination, oral examination, practical examination. Written examination. Essay types, short answer question, objective type question. Oral examination. The viva or oral examination is carried out through face-to-face interaction between examiner and student to assess the knowledge as well as attitudes of the student. Practical examination. Once a student has demonstrated competence in the classroom and skills with models, supervised practice should be undertaken in the practical side. Grading criteria for the course. The pass mark for all assessment including written, viva, practical 60%. If any participant achieves 80% marks or above in single unit is called honors and achieves 80% marks or above in all units is called distinction. When any participant acquires less than 60% marks including written, viva, practical will be considered as the failure mark. Grading criteria for written assessment. Criteria: pass grade 60%, honors mark 80%, fail grade below 60%. Grading criteria for oral assessment. Receipt procedure. The student who will fail in the final examination, she will receive for examination after 45 days of result published by following all procedures as final examination. Procedure for teaching and placement in clinical areas. There will be at least 2 co-teachers for each course where student intake is 20. Rotation plan will be developed by the concerned subject teacher. The subject teacher will strictly follow the rotation plan for this course and specified in the curriculum. Thanks to all. Now I requested to another group member present her part.
Thank you, Beauty. Now I present my presenting part. My presenting part is from academic committee. Academic council will be formed as follows: director, deputy director, academic, course coordinator, assistant course coordinator, nursing midwifery superintendent, senior nursing midwifery instructor. Examination committee. Examination committee will be formed before final examination of each year. Member will be selected by director, head of the institution. By virtue of the post, the director, head of the institution will be chairperson of the examination committee. Registered representative for Bangladesh Nursing and Midwifery Council. Respective subject teacher or coordinator will be the covered for the examination. Subject teacher of the respective course will be coordinator and acts the internal examiner during examination. The external examiner of each courses will be selected by BNMC. Question setters, moderator, script examiners, tabulators will be selected by the examination committee. Course coordinator will coordinate with other members and integrated teaching learning activities. All examination will be conducted according to set criteria by BNMC. Examination system and distribution of mark. Written examination including short question, every question is carried 5 marks. Essay question, every question is carried 10 marks. Objective type question, correct answer and best answer, every question is carried 1 mark. Practical examination includes hospital based, lab based. Oral examination, attendance 2 marks, class test 8 marks. Curriculum design. A curriculum design is a dynamic process whose provision is in corresponding emergency health problems. Diploma in maternal health care in design to incorporate maternal health care problem increasing in the both development and developing countries, including Bangladesh due to expansion of globalization. The curriculum is dynamic process with provision of incorporating emergency maternal health care problem and changing health policies as well as latest advancement in science. Curriculum design for diploma maternal health care. Theory 22 weeks, total hour 792 hours. Clinical practice 10 weeks, total hour 480 hours. Lab practice 4 weeks, total 144 hours. Thank you everyone. Now I invite my next group member discuss her portion.
Thank you, Ripa Khanum. Now I am going to present my presenting part. My presenting part for 1 year credit allocation by hours theory.
স্কিপ করে দাও পরের স্লাইডে চলে যাও এরপরে চলে যাও এটাও চলে যাও
This is your academic calendar, master plan,
হ্যাঁ ওটা দেখে আমরা বুঝতে পারি মাস্টার প্ল্যান
clinical placement, এখানে শুধু কোর্সের ইয়েটা বলে
যাও তুমি চলে যাও পরের যদি তার যার অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট আসে করো
Thank you
উত্তর আর কোনো করতে বললে তো
everyone. Now I am going to invite another group member and please continue her presenting part.
Thanks, Kusum Khatun. Now I will present my selected portion. Course title: Diploma in Maternal Healthcare. 101 Communicative English and ICT. Theory 100 hours, laboratory 30 hours, practice hours 0. Course description: this course is designed to improve reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills of English to prepare students for research. Teaching and administration of midwifery textbooks, journals, and magazines will be used in order to facilitate learning. Additionally, this course will review computer terminology, computer hardware and devices, operating system, and computer applications.